Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the weekly VWAP strategy. All right, the VWAP stands for volume weighted average price, VWAP. All right, stands for volume weighted average price. Okay, and the weekly VWAP is a version that resets at the start of each week. Right? So it shows the average price traded throughout the week, weighted by volume. Okay. Let's look for the weekly VWAP. All right. Let's just increase the thickness. So the weekly VWAP strategy involves uh, using the weekly VWAP indicator, right? Institutional traders often use VWAP as a benchmark to determine whether price is relatively high or low. So now basically if price is above the weekly VWAP, it suggests bullish conditions, and if price is below the weekly VWAP, it suggests bearish conditions. Now the VWAP, the weekly VWAP strategy involves using this level as a dynamic support or resistance. Traders look for price to interact with the VWAP and then watch for confirmation signals. Right, one common approach is mean reversion. If price moves far away from VWAP, traders expect it to return toward the average. Another approach is trend continuation, right? If price stays above the VWAP and keeps respecting it, traders look for buying opportunities on pullbacks, right? So some traders also use VWAP bands, which act like standard deviation levels around the VWAP. So these bands help identify overextended price areas. The key is not to use VWAP alone. Combine it with market structures, support and resistance, or price action signals for better context. Okay? So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.